Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 3 of the exercise 1C of chapter 1 Rational and Irrational Numbers of Icse class 9 from the Concise Mathematics Selina, and in this video we are going to solve questions from question number 5 onwards. So question number 5 is simplify. So we have to simplify by rationalizing the denominators. So question number 1, we have 2 root 3 plus 1, 2 root 3 minus 1 in the denominator. Since both are different, so we'll take both as the LCM in the denominator. In this type of questions, if the signs are different, then we'll have to take both in the denominator as their LCM. If the sign is same and the number is same, we'll only take one number in the denominator as the LCM. So here in the denominator there is 2 root 3 plus 1. So we'll take 2 root 3 minus 1. Since 2 root 3 plus 1 is in the denominator, we'll take only the minus 1. And plus 17, here we have got 2 root 3 minus 1. Now we'll take 2 root 3 plus 1 and multiply with 17 into 2 root 3 plus 1. So you have to take the number which is not present in the denominator. By multiplying, we'll get 22 into 2 is 44 root 3 minus 22 plus 17 into 2 is 34 and root 3 is also there. So 34 root 3 plus 17 into 1s are 17. And in the denominator we have a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square formula. Now in the numerator we'll get root 3 and root 3, they are the same root, so we have to add the number in front of the root, that is 44 plus 34 is 78 root 3. And here we have got 22 and 17, the opposite number. That means we have to subtract, but the sign will be negative because 22 is greater than 17. So we'll have 5. And here we'll have 2 2s are 4 and into 3 minus 1. So we got 78 root 3 minus 5 by 4 3s are 12 minus 1, that is 11. 78 root 3 minus 5 upon 11. That's our answer. Next, question number 2, we have root 6 minus root 2 and root 6 plus root 2 in the denominator. That means we have to take both as the LCM since the sign is different. So root 6 minus root 2 into root 6 plus root 2. Again the same thing. First in the denominator we have root 6 minus root 2, so we'll not take this one, we'll take this one, root 6 plus root 2. So root 2 into root 6 plus root 2 minus root 3, and we'll take root 6 minus root 2 because root 6 plus root 2 is in the denominator. We'll take root 6 minus root 2. And now we'll multiply them. By multiplying we'll get root 2 into root 6, 2 6 are 12, and plus root 2 into root 2, the same root will be cancelled, so it will be 2 minus into plus will be minus, and root 3 into root 6, 3 6 are 18, minus into minus will have plus, 3 2s are 6, root 6, and in the denominator the formula a square minus b square, root 6 square minus root 2 square. Now by solving we'll have in the numerator we have to find the fractions of 12, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. We can write 12 like this, plus 2 minus, again the fraction of 18 will be 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, And 6 will not take out the fraction because for the square root we'll need the pair of numbers. So in the denominator we'll have 6 minus 2. In the numerator, since it is the square root, we'll have to take out the pair of numbers outside. That is 2 has pair, 2 will come outside, 3 will remain inside. Here also we have to take 3 outside and 2 will remain inside, and root 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. Now in the numerator we cannot add or subtract this root because they are the different roots, so it will remain as it is. And for the number plus 2, there is no other number to add or subtract, so it will also remain like that. So the answer is, here we got our answer. So next is question number 6. If x equal to root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 and y equals to root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2, find x square, y square, xy and x square plus y square plus xy. So for question number 1 we'll square the value of x. X square equals to the value of x. Here we have root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 whole square. Now this square is for both numerator and denominator. So we are gonna add the formula a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square in the denominator. So we'll have a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. And in the denominator, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now in the numerator we'll get root 5 whole square, that means square will cancel the root, we'll have 5 plus 2 square means 4 minus 2 2's are 4 into root 5, 4 root 5. Same in the denominator, 5 plus 4 plus 2 2's are 4 root 5. Now we'll have to add the numbers. 5 plus 4, 9 plus minus 4 root 5, and in the denominator same 5 plus 4 plus 4 root 5. Now we have to rationalize it. Why? Because we have got the root in the denominator. So we'll take the negative as the rationalizing factor, that is 9 minus 4 root 5 as our rationalizing factor. Now by multiplying we'll have 9 minus 4 root 5 into 9 minus 4 root 5. In the denominator we'll have 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. 9 minus 4 root 5 whole square. And in the denominator, as usual, we'll have a square minus b square formula. 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square. And again in the numerator, we'll have a minus b whole square formula. That is a square, that is 9 square plus b square 4 root 5 whole square minus 2 into a 9 into b 4 root 5. And in the denominator, 9 square is 81 minus 4 square is 16 and root 5 square is 5. 16 into 5. Now we'll get in the numerator 9 square is 81 plus 4 square is 16 into root 5 square is 5. 16 into 5 minus 2 9's are 18. 18 into 4 is 72 into root 5. And the denominator will have 81 minus 16 into 5 is 6 5's are 30. 5 1's are 5 plus 3 80. In the numerator we'll have 81 plus 16 into 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 ones are 5, 80, minus 72 root 5. In the denominator we'll have 1. Now, by adding 81 plus 80 we'll get 161. 161 minus 72 root 5. Now this is our final answer. Next we have question number 2. We have to find the y square from the same value. So the value of y here we have root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2. Root 5 minus 2. Now we have to whole square it. In the same way, we'll solve it by applying the formula a plus b whole square in the numerator. We'll have a square plus b square plus 2 into a plus a into b. A here is root 5 and b is 2. In the denominator, same thing, a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. In the numerator, we'll have 5 root 5 whole square means 5 plus 2 square is 4 plus 2 2's are 4 into root 5, 4 root 5. In the denominator, we'll have 5 plus 4 minus 2 2's are 4, again 4 root 5. Now we'll add the numbers. 5 plus 4 is 9. In the numerator, we'll have 9 plus 4 root 5, and in the denominator we'll have 5 plus 4 9 minus 4 root 5. Now again we'll have to rationalize the denominator since we have root 5 in the denominator. So we are taking positive as the rationalizing factor, that is 9 plus 4 root 5. Now by multiplying, in the numerator we'll have 9 plus 4 root 5 into 9 plus 4 root 5, 9 plus 4 root 5 whole square. And in the denominator, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, 9 square minus 4 root 5 whole square. In the numerator, we are having a plus b whole square, so a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, 4 root 5. In the denominator, we'll have 9 square 81 minus 4 square is 16 into root 5 square is 5. In the numerator, we have 9 square is 81 plus 4 square 16 into root 5 square 5 plus 2 9s are 18, 18 into 4 is 72 root 5. 81 minus 80 81 plus 16 into 5 is 80 plus 72 root 5. In the denominator, we'll have 1. Now by adding 81 and 80, we'll have 161 plus 72 root 5. So our final answer is this. Next, question number 3, we have to find x into y. That means we have to find the product of x and y. So we'll put the value of x here, root 5 minus 2 by root 5 plus 2 into y, root 5 plus 2 by root 5 minus 2. So since this is a multiply, so we can cancel the numbers which are same, that is root 5 minus 2 and root 5 plus 2. So we got the answer 1. Next, question number 4, x square plus y square plus xy. Now since we have already found the value of x square, y square in question number 2 and xy in question number 3. So it will be easy for us to put the values and find our answer. So from question number 1, we have the value of x square as 161 minus 72 root 5, and the value of y square is 161 plus 72 root 5, and the value of xy is 1. Now from here we have to add the numbers. 161 plus 161 will have 322, and here 72 root 5, they have got the opposite sign, so we'll cancel it, and the remaining one will add it, so it will be 323. So our answer is 323. Next, question number 7. If m equals to 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2, n equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2, we have to find the value of m square, n square, and mn. So question number 1 is m square. So first we have to see the value of m, that is 1 by 3 minus 2 root 2. In the denominator we have the roots, so first we have to rationalize the value of m. So we are taking the positive sign 3 plus 2 root 2 as our rationalizing factor. By multiplying in the numerator we'll get 3 plus 2 root 2, and in the denominator a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. In the numerator we'll have 3 plus 2 root 2, and in the denominator 3 square is 9 minus 2 square is 4, and root 2 square is 2. 4 into 2, that is 8. So 3 plus 2 root 2 by 9 minus 8, that is 1. So we can write it as 3 plus 2 root 2. Now we got the value of m as 3 plus 2 root 2. Now we have to find the value of m square. That means we have to square it. 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square. Now it will be easy for us to calculate. Equals to a plus b whole square means a square plus b square, b is 2 root 2, plus 2 into a into b. We get here 3 square is 9. 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2 plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 root 2. Now we'll add the numbers. 9 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 12 root 2. 9 plus 8 will have 17. 17 plus 12 root 2. So this is the answer of m square. Next, we have to find n square. Since we have to first rationalize the value of n because there is a root in the denominator. So first we'll rationalize the value of n, then we'll find the value of n square. So we are taking the negative sign as the rationalizing factor. Equals to 3 minus 2 root 2. In the denominator, we'll have a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So in the numerator, we have 3 minus 2 root 2. And in the denominator, 3 square is 9 minus 2 square is 4 into 2. So again, we'll have 3 minus 2 root 2 by 9 minus 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8, that is 1. So we'll have 3 minus 2 root 2 as the value of n. So by putting this value, we'll find the value of n square. Therefore, n square equals to 3 minus 2 root 2 whole square. Now we'll have the formula a minus b whole square here. A is 3 and b is 2 root 2. So a square plus b square minus 2 into a, that is 3, into b, 2 root 2. Next we have 3 square is 9 plus 2 square is 4 into root 2 square is 2 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, root 2. Now we'll add the numbers, that is 9 plus 4 2s are 8 minus 12 root 2, that is 9 plus 8 is 17. 9 plus 8 is 17 minus 12 root 2. That is the value of n square is 17 minus 12 root 2. Next question, we have to find the product of m and n, that is m into n. Since we have already found the value of m and n, we can directly put the value of m here and n here. 3 minus 2 root 2. Now we have to apply the formula a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. We'll have 3 square equals to 9 minus 2 square is 4 and root 2 square is 2. 4 into 2. So 9 minus 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So the value of m into n is 1. So that's how you solve this kind of questions. So that's all in this part 3 video of exercise 1C. In the next video, we are going to solve the questions from question number 8 onwards. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.